Hi everybody. Sorry, I bumped my camera stand as soon as it started recording. How are you guys today? Today I just wanted to do a bit of a chatting with Alana. I have my pajamas on. I'm all ready for bed, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and just go film this real fast and let you guys know what's happening, what's going on. Not much, as always, thankfully. Knock on wood. The first thing I do want to talk about is that I did do a little bit of pre-filming, and it's the stitch. My hair is sticking like straight out. It's the stitch guide. Now, I said I was going to do like the bullion stitch and a textured stitch. So I started working on that bullion stitch, and that was about a joke. I'm like, I can't. I just keep messing up, and I thought, I'm done. I don't want to do it anymore. So I did another stitch that's called the candle in the window. Well, I call it the candle in the window stitch, but I wanted to show you guys. These are the upcoming tutorials you're going to see. This is the candle in the window, and I call it that because, well, the little picots right here. So like there, see the little yellow picots, and then the little blue archways look like candlesticks in an arch window. So that's one of them. And then the other one, this is the multicolor sampler I made. It is all kinds of crazy colored. This is what it looks like, different colors, obviously. I mean, per row, different color. And this is solid. This is the squishy, wavy stitch that I told you about. Or Fuzzy, quit. But those are the two stitch samplers you're going to see coming. And then after that is going to be the flower pin thing that I made. I wanted to do it sooner, but I thought, I made one, and I made it all red. And I put a green French nut in the center of it, and I was like, this looks exactly like the veteran poppies. You know, they give them out at like four-way stops or stop signs, or, you know. Anyway, I have a real quick question. I was talking to my husband about that, and I asked him, I said, are those poppies given out just for veterans, memorial of veterans, or is it for Palmia? And he looked at me and he's like, what is Palmia? And I was like, Palmia, prisoners of war missing in action, POW MIA, Palmia. And I said, that's the thing, like, it's called that, right? And he's like, I have never heard that. And I said, I am telling you, I have heard someone call it Palmia before. Prisoners of war missing in action, POW MIA. And he just looked at me like I was nuts. So if anybody out there, please help me. Like, I know it's not called Palmia, but I've heard people say that. Instead of just saying POW MIA, they say Palmia. Somebody help me. Am I wrong, or is that an actual thing? I don't know. I hope I am not being a doofus and making that up, because I swear I've heard people call it Palmia before. I don't know. Anyway, so I thought, dang it. Now I'm short of flour, so because I want to save that one for Veterans Day, and, you know, do that as a tutorial for the poppy. And then, which puts me down a flower, so now I need to make another one, which puts me back farther. So that tutorial is coming, just you're not going to see it for 2 weeks. And then I'm going to save the red one, and I'm going to make the poppy. And then, let's see. Oh, I want to tell you, I do not remember your name, for Pete's sake. Which, in one of the Chattin with Alanas, I showed that I got the VHS of Kelly's Heroes. I watched that. I loved it. It made me laugh. I will have to say, my favorite character, well, the best looking character to me in that movie is Donald Sutherland, as long as he doesn't talk. When he talks, I'm just like, you should just not talk. You're really good looking, just don't talk. But whoever commented on that last video and said that your husband's favorite movie is Kelly's Heroes, I loved it. I thought that was awesome. It was funny in certain parts, and then Um, a little sad in a couple parts, and then at the end, I don't want to give anything away, but at the end when they actually accomplish what they're doing, the whole time I was thinking, this is a setup. This is not gonna happen. It's a setup. There's something's gonna happen. It's not gonna be there. I don't know. And when it did happen, I was like, you have got to be kidding me. And Carol O'Connor, I loved him in that. He's short scenes you see him in, but I still love him. Anyway, so thank you for telling me your husband loves that movie, because I did too. And like I said, Donald Sutherland is pretty good looking in that movie as long as he doesn't talk. If you've never seen it, maybe search on YouTube Donald Sutherland. Oddball. His name's Oddball in Kelly's Heroes. And then just it's bad. But man, is he good looking in that movie. I never even realized Donald Sutherland was that handsome until, you see him so young. It was like, wow. Anyway, kind of, no, I shouldn't say that. I was going to say it kind of reminds me of my husband, but he doesn't really. It's the rugged look is the way my husband looks. Anyway, so I watched that and I enjoyed it. I actually watched it while I was working on these sample blocks for my tutorial. What else was I going to tell you guys? I honestly, all I have been doing is crocheting and filming. I'm going to do a little bit of pre-filming, so you may see me in the same shirt. I don't know yet. I'll probably just run and change shirts, because I know certain things in my life that are just little things drive me insane, and I can't do it. So for instance, one of those little things that drive me insane is that whenever I go to my YouTube studio and I look at all of my videos, and if I see a row of videos and I'm in the same shirt, it drives me nuts. I can't. For those of you that have a YouTube channel, you know what I'm talking about. It's basically whenever you see what you've uploaded, and when I've uploaded videos and they're in a line from when you upload it and I'm in the same shirt, it bugs me. I don't like that. It's not, and I know it's silly, it's stupid. It bugs me. Anyway, so yeah, my oldest is getting ready to go to Alaska. Actually, today is Tuesday. She leaves Thursday morning. We drop her off at the airport, and she flies to Alaska for 11 days with her real mom's sister. That's her graduation gift from her aunt, was to spend a week with her in Alaska, and she's going to go and have a blast. So while she's gone, my youngest is going to be working the whole time, which she's not upset about it. She loves working. She works at Subway, and she loves it because she gets those foot-long cookies. And I was like, Jalen, girlfriend, you're going to find out real quick those foot-long cookies aren't going to be so great in about a week when you're struggling in volleyball. You need to lay off the foot-long cookies. And, she loves the pretzels. So she's always munching on those, which me, that does not eat things like that because I'm still trying to maintain my weight loss, is like a nightmare watching her eat those cookies and pretzels. I'm just like, but that's really good. So to help those cravings, I chew gum or I drink coffee, hot coffee. Anyway, I'm off. What are you doing, Bubby? My cat just came running in here like he's scared. Bubby, what's wrong? Come here, Bubby. What's the matter with you? Are you fighting? He's probably fighting with the other cats. Anyway, that freaked me out. But yeah, let's see. What else can I tell you guys about? I'm getting closer and closer to kicking up Cooking with Alana again, and I do want to say a big thank you to that's what I wanted to show you. Dang it. My mind just went bing. Hold on just a second. Okay, I'm back. So what I wanted to tell you was that I'm not going to use names. If you guys are watching, you guys know who you are. I love you both. Thank you so much for everything. one of my friends, we messaged each other back, and she had told me that she had a bunch of recipes, and she sent them to me, and holy cow, like through email, messenger, and it is a lot. Holy cow. I was like, oh, okay. There's a lot of recipes on here. So I'm definitely going to go through there, and I'll ask her before I use them if I could use her recipes on Cooking with Alana. And then the other one, I want to tell her thank you very much. She watched, dang it. Usually I always have the last magazine flip through magazine sitting right next to me, and I don't. I put it up. I think, right? Yeah, I did. I put it up. Well, anyway, if you guys watched that, you saw me show you guys a pattern in that book that was for a butterfly set. And remember me saying in that I would love to find that pattern somewhere? Well, my friend, thank you, she messaged me and she found it on eBay. And I was like, you've got to be kidding me. I can't believe you found that. I looked and I didn't find it. Well, she sent it to me and she's like, hey, she didn't send me the pattern. She sent me a link to the pattern for sale on eBay. And she says, it's a little expensive. And I looked at it, and you're going to have to correct me if I'm wrong. Was it $12.99 free shipping or $12.99 plus shipping? I can't remember what it was. Anyway, I was like, yeah, you're right. That's a bit much to pay for that. So I was like, I thought, well, maybe next time, because, unemployed, can't be just buying anything, right? And I was like, the more and more I thought about it, the more and more I was like, if I don't buy this, somebody else is going to buy it, and I'm not going to have it. Da, 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 da. No, I'm not going to do it. And then I'd think about it, and I'm like, I can't. I have to. So not every listing, but some listings on eBay gives you the option to buy now or make an offer. So I was like, the more I think about it, I'm pretty sure that was free shipping. I'm pretty sure it was. Anyway, the more and more I thought about it, I was like, all right, I'm going to make an offer. So I thought she originally wants, well, he or she, whatever, they originally want $12.99. And I thought, okay, I'm going to make what I think would be a reasonable offer. If I was walking through an antique store or walking through a craft market or, a vendor fair, whatever, and I saw the pattern laying there, how much would I offer to pay for it? Or how much would I be willing to pay for it? So, I'm being fair to both me and them. And I thought, $9. It's still a bit much to me, only because what I've found in the past, to buy patterns, it's a bit much, but I really want it, and I want them to make money too. So I was like, okay, $9. I would pay that if I saw it sitting on a table in a vendor fair or in an antique mall. $9. And I could not believe it. They came back and accepted the offer. And I was like, yes! So, da, 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 look what I have. I was so happy to get this. It has the pillow, the blanket, the little butterfly pillow, the kitchen set, the little thing you wrap around your napkin, whatever that is, and your little cup koozie. Oh, I was so excited. And so I messaged my friend and I was like, look, I got it. So thank you for finding this and sending it to me. And then thank you to the seller for accepting my $9 offer. Which, when you think about it, you get a pattern for, well, let me just go through here. You get a pattern for Afghan and square pillow, butterfly shaped pillow, optional decoration, pot holder, miniature butterfly, placemat, lacy butterfly, napkin ring, glass holder, and that's it. So I mean that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's just what, $1. Let's see. So less than $1 a pattern, you know, for each thing, right? Is that right? Yeah, it's close enough. I don't care. Whatever. So I'm super happy that I got this. Well, when will I make it? Lord above only knows when I will. I will some point. But I think it's so pretty. So again, thank you, and thank you to my other friend for the recipes. You guys are both great. I love you both. Let's see. That's honestly it. I haven't worked. I still have not worked on my mother-in-law's filet crochet piece that I'm gonna give her for Christmas. It's either gonna be for Christmas or it may turn into something for the following year, which I don't want to say this because I don't want to say anything of the sort, but I need to do it before something happens. Get it done before something happens, if that makes sense. She's up there in age, and I would like for her to see what I started for her. If you get what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I really don't have much to talk about. I'm gonna try to have more to talk about the next time I do chatting with Alana's, because I always feel bad that I feel like I leave you guys hanging like that's it. I know. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. Stay tuned because I got some magazine flip throughs that I want to film for you guys. And that's it. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys thought about what I showed you guys or what I have coming up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.